Hello everyone, Tina here. I'm back again with another 5 easy step card tutorial. We're going to make a nice summary card using the Pretty Pink Posh Stitched Coral die set. It's brand new over at the Pretty Pink Posh shop. And if you haven't checked out that release, I'll link the entire release below because it's pretty fabulous. Let's jump in and get started with step number 1 and create our focal point. We're going to do some die cutting with our stitched florals, and I'm going to die cut with white cardstock because I want to ink blend on all of these corals. We're going to mix and match some colors here. So I'll die cut all of these out with white cardstock. I have a lot of coral here, but we may not use it all, but it's always nice to have more than less. And we are going to do some messy ink blending. I'm going to use my Pinkfresh Studio inks. I have my Sunshine, which is yellow. I always like to start with the yellow first because yellow can blend with a lot of different colors. And we'll do 3 with the yellow. Now I'm going to bring in some orange ink, and we're going to add some orange to these lovely coral pieces. Next we're going to bring in some pink, and we're going to add some bright colors here, which is Raspberry Bliss, by the way. And then I'm going to bring in some purple ink. This is Hydrangea, and we will add a little purple to this. And then for the remaining, I'm going to bring in some green ink. We'll add a little green here. I'm going to mix the green with the turquoise. And there we go. We have some bright colored corals. So pretty. Now what I did was die cut out the same coral elements, and we are going to add a little bit of a white background offsetting these to our coral pieces. I like doing this just to create extra dimension. I'm going to do that to all of these. I did all of them but this one, so I'm going to put this one to the side. We're not going to use this one for our card today. So what I'm going to do next is create a little coral cluster just using my glue. Glue is great because you get a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, so now we have a little coral cluster. That is, I just love these colors. They're just so bright and cheery. Now I am going to flip this around. I'm going to put foam tape behind here. Now after we have this done, I'm going to add a little bit of some Splatter white. This is from Spellbinders, and it is a opaque watercolor, and it works great for adding white splatters. Add some water. I'm doing this now because I want this to have a little bit of time to dry. And then, so we have some white splatters on here. I'm going to bring in my splatter box, and we're going to add some sparkle now. I'm going to use my solar spray. This one is Royal Flush. It's a really pretty purple. I haven't used this before, but it goes on kind of clear, but it leaves like a purpley tint. And I'm going to add this pretty heavy to my coral. It's going to turn it to a pearl sheen. So pretty. Okay, and I will put this to the side to dry. A lot needs to dry on here. And then now we're going to work on step number 2 and create our home panel. I'm bringing in the Pretty Pink Posh Scallop Frame die set. I'm going to use the smallest here, and I'm going to die cut this out with some white cardstock. I'm not going to use the inside, but I always keep the inside because I like the way this looks. I am going to take a piece of vellum next, and I'm going to layer my frame on the vellum, just using a little bit of glue. And then I'll use my scissors, and anything that's overhanging we will just trim off. This will eventually go here, but I have my My splatter white is still not dry yet, so I'm still going to give this a little bit of time to dry. In the meantime, we're going to move along to step number 3, and we're going to create our sentiment. I'm using the Pretty Pink Posh Summer Sentiment Strips. And let's pick out a fun greeting for our card today. I'm going to stamp Sending Summer Vibes. And I'm just going to use my black ink for this. I'm stamping it on the sentiment strips that I die cut out here. These line up. I just love the size of these. So I'm going to stamp this here. Lovely. And then I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. So my greeting's done. I'm going to go ahead and take my focal point and put it on my home panel. And we'll just tack this down. And then I'm going to remove the release paper off the foam tape, and we're just going to add this right to the center. Whoops. And that's our greeting. Lots of shimmer. Now we're going to move along to step number 4 and create our background. For my background, I'm bringing in some white cardstock, and we're going to use a new stencil from Pretty Pink Posh. This is called the Wave Edger. And we're going to create some waves in our background. And I really like the wavy one here, so we're going to use this one. And I'm going to tack it down to an A2 panel. And using my sky blue ink, I'm going to add a little bit of color in my background, right over that edge. And then what I'm going to do next is lift it up. This is so much fun. And then I'm going to do this. I'm just going to repeat the process. I'm not going to shift my stencil because I like the way this looks, but I'm just going to keep repeating the process. Lovely. And when you get down to the very bottom, I'm just going to take my ink pad and add a little extra color here. And that is my background panel filled with waves. I'm going to take this and put this on an A2 size card base. And then we're going to go ahead, and then I'm going to take my home panel with my focal point. And if you wanted to pop this up, you could, but I'm just going to add glue behind my frame. I'm also going to add it behind the foam tape that I added behind my coral. And then I'm going to layer this in the center of my card here. So much fun. Now we're going to move along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Pretty Pink Posh has lots of amazing pearls. They have pearls in every color that you can imagine. So I'm going to grab some. I'm definitely going to grab this is pink blush. So I'm going to pick 4 pearls. I have lilac, pink blush, creamsicle, and I have limeade. I think those are going to go beautiful with my card. Okay, and we're going to add a few pearls in our background. These pearls come in lots of different sizes, and I'm going to layer them over the existing colors. So it's going to give me a little dimension, but it's also going to give me a little extra. So now we have a lot of texture in our card, and I just love how summery this feels in 5 easy steps. Thank you so much for joining me. I wish you a lovely day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.